Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new Roblox Studio video. My name is Floppy, and in today's video we'll be going over how to make a webhook system in Roblox Studio. Now how the system works is you're able to set up a system where when a player does something, such as maybe click on a GUI, purchase a game pass, or step on a specific part, a notification will then be sent to Discord. This system is not so much for the player's experience, but more for you as the developer. This is an excellent way to track who specifically is playing your game and also the player's progress inside of your game. This is a system a lot of developers actually have installed in their scripts to track the player's behavior and what the players are actually doing. This system can be incredibly useful, especially when it comes to the conversion between the amount of people who, for example, click the buy button in your Game Pass shop and the amount of people who actually follow through and complete the purchase. I've also seen this system used before to notify the developers of the game when a Roblox verified player has joined into their game. It's a very cool system as you can pretty much track activity on any one of your systems inside of your game. Well, without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. So for starters, you want to make sure your Explorer and Properties are enabled. If your Explorer and Properties are not enabled, you want to head over here to the Explorer and Properties, go and enable those, and they'll show up somewhere over your screen. So now that we've got our Explorer and Properties, let me explain what we're actually going to be covering in today's video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be providing you a template, and then you're able to work off that template. Because there's so many different systems and so many different ways you can have a webhook inside of your game, it's going to be impossible for me to cover it entirely. So what I've actually gone and done is I've gone and made a template. So all you have to do is insert this code and then adjust it to your preference. So for starters, we're going to head over here to our ServerScriptService, click on the plus button and insert a normal script. We now want to go down to the description of this video, copy and paste the code that's in the description, bring it back to Roblox Studio, remove all the previous code, and then paste in the new code. Now, as you guys can see, this is a fairly simple script. I mean, it's only 38 lines. As mentioned, this is just the template. So this is the main section of the code that is actually going to be sending the notification to Discord. So I'm going to go over the script here in a second, but the first thing that we're going to focus on is actually connecting it to our Discord channel on where the messages are actually going to go. Because at the moment, we've got the script here, but we haven't really told it, okay, where do we want to send the notification to? So we want to head over to Discord. Alrighty, so now we're here on Discord, and now I've gone and just got this random Discord server here called Webhooks. So you want to go and create a general, any channel inside of your Discord server. It needs to be a text channel so that the notification can actually show. Then we want to head over here to the settings of this certain channel. So I'm going to head over here to integrations, and then I'm going to head over here to webhooks. Now what we can go do here now is we want to go and click create webhook. Now, as you guys can see, that went and created us a webhook. What we can actually go do now is we can now go and adjust this. So I'm going to call this floppy bot. That will be perfectly fine, and it is going to be set to our test logs channel, the channel that you want these notifications to go into. So we're going to go click save changes, and then we're going to go and click copy webhook URL, because this is the URL which we're now going to go and put inside of our script. So now that you're back inside of Roblox Studio, you want to head over here to line 4 where it says local webhook URL, change URL, and go and remove that and go and paste in your unique webhook URL. Now mine is going to be blurred simply because I do not want to be getting a million notifications a second. And now we have linked the script to our Discord server and to our Discord channel where the notifications are actually going to be sent to. Now we're going to go and adjust a few final things here. So now over here on local title, this is where we can go and adjust what we're actually measuring. So whether, for example, I'm going to do a demonstration here. So I'm going to go and change this here accordingly. So this will be called, the title can be player joining or player joined. That will do the trick. Description, we can go and change this here between the quotation marks. So we've got description text. I'm going to go and change this to player.name has joined the game. And then we can go down here to local color, and this is where we can go and adjust the color of our message, or of our, not necessarily the message, but the notification. This is read in a decimal value. So what you need to go and do is you need to go and just go search up on the internet, or I'll actually have a list in the description of the video of all the different colors in this decimal format or in this decimal value, so that you can simply go and copy and paste it. But this on default is a, I'm pretty sure like a light green or like a traditional green. Line 11, this is just local data now. This is just getting our game logger. This is also going to be including a the time this certain action or this certain notification has been made. So this is basically creating or the data that is going to be on the notification. All this down here, this is just determining when the notification needs to be sent and any additional information that needs to be sent to that special webhook URL. Then down here on line 38, this is now where we go and add our action. So as I mentioned, this is a template. This is not a integration into a certain system. For this demonstration, I'm doing it when a player joins into the game. It's going to tell the Discord server or the Discord notification, so-and-so has gone and joined into the game. So if we do players.player added, just like that, connect, and then we can go and we need to do a connect, what did we call it? SendWebhook. So what we now need to go and do is we're doing the player added connect, and then we go and do SendWebhook, just like that. So basically when a player joins into the game, it's then going to go and call the local function. So what we go do now is I'm going to go and close the script, and now we can just go and join into the server, and then I'm also going to go and record my Discord server. Alrighty, so I've gone and got both tabs here on the screen so you guys can see it in live action. So if I go click on play here now, it is now going to go and send this channel a notification saying Floppy has gone and joined the game, player joined, its_floppyfish has joined the game. So something now I also forgot to mention to you guys. As you guys may remember, we called our webhook URL inside when we went and created the Discord webhook URL. We called it floppybot. This is where you're also able to adjust that. So floppybot was overrun by game logger. So if we go and change this to floppybot as we had it on our main webhook, you'll be able to see now when we go and join into the game, it will say it is from floppybot and not the joiner, whatever it was there previously. So we can go keep it like that. Now I'm going to do another demonstration here, is when the player actually goes and leaves the server. So when player removing, just like that, so player left. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration here for you guys, because again, this is a template. You go and adjust it to your preference. Player.name has left the game. Marvelous, and we can keep the same webhook URL, that's fine. So if we go here and we go and give it another test, it'll send us another notification once we have left the game. As you guys can see, it didn't send me a notification simply because we've gone and changed it to only send us a notification when we leave the game. So if I go click escape now, just L and enter, as you guys will be able to see, it then says floppybot. Now that we went and changed the name there, player has left, its_floppyfish has left the game. Now, obviously, we can go and adjust the color, and what I was meaning regarding the color is that section right there. So if I wanted to go and put a red color instead over here, what we can go do is we can go back to our script over here, and we can just go and adjust this decimal number right here. So what I can go do now, I've gone and got the decimal value for the red color, is I'll go replace that there. If I go join in now and we leave again, this will now show us a red color on our leave message. As you guys can see, the player has left, now in the red color. Alright, I'm now going to do one final demonstration here for you guys. I'm now going to be doing it so when a player touches a specific part, it will then send us a notification. So what I'm going to go do is I'm now going to go and make our part that the player needs to basically step on. We head back to our script here. Let's go underneath here. Let's go local touch part, just like that. Or did we call it? No, we just called it touch. Perfect. Then we can go down here. So then we've got our main part here where our actual action is happening. That's all we need to do. Perfect. Now let's go give it a test. So if we go join in here now, you'll be able to see if I go and touch this part with my player, it'll then go and say player touched, its_floppyfish has touched the part. If you guys are a little bit lost and you're needing a little bit of assistance here with today's tutorial, please feel free to create a ticket in my Discord server and we would be more than happy to help you out. But anyway guys, that is going to be it here for today's video. If you did enjoy, I'd appreciate if you do consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell, and also do consider liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. But anyway guys, thank you once again for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next Roblox Studio video.